If I were to allow it, the purchase price for an ensigncy in the Coldstreams is £700. Do you possess that sum?
No, sir. I do not.
Then why not seek to join the militia?
Well, I wish to serve the crown as an actual officer.
Then how much land do you possess?
I'm a custodian under my brother's estate, Mount Vernon.
Tenant farmer. Education?
I received no formal schooling after my father died, sir. But I recently obtained my surveyor's license.
To be a British officer, you must first be a gentleman.
If I may, sir, how is it that my brother qualified, yet I do not?
He owns Mount Vernon. He was properly educated in England. And what's more, he's married to a Fairfax.
Yes, and he has been a great mentor to me. I've studied to become a gentleman. I've even compiled all I've learned.
Goodness, man, how much do you write?
Well, I compiled it from other books. It's called Rules of Civility and Decent Behavior.
Which is to say you plagiarized it?
No. Well, yes, but
Imitation of great men does not make you one.
I ask again, sir, how may I become a British officer of the Crown?
You cannot.
There must be a path.
There is not.